Welcome back to the HMW online classes. We know that it is hard time in the corona time, that we are all locked down and our education is suffering. Now, I hope that everyone is getting my blogs and the videos sent by us and the Google form. But many of the students not completing the Google form. Only hardly 30 to 40 students is responding. Google form is for your practice. So please submit the Google form on time. We are already sent the science lectures, but now the students are doing English lecture. That means you are wasting your time much. Now today's topic, I'm giving you some hint about the current electricity for the standard 10. It is just a basic thing. Okay, now we start with the current electricity for the standard 10. The standard 10 chapter number 4, effect of electric current. So I am giving you some basic knowledge of 9th standard. We will start with the current electricity. The first comes in our mind that electric charge. What is electric charge? In the 6th and 7th standard, we learn that when a glass rod is rubbed with a silk cloth, both glass rod as well as the silk cloth acquire a charge. Glass rod acquire positive charge and the silk cloth acquire negative charge. Same. And we know that the matter is made up of atom, and the atom is consist of proton and electron and neutron. Proton is positively charged, electron is negatively charged. So do you know what is the charge on the neutron? Neutral. Yes. Charge on one proton is plus 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19 coulomb. What is the coulomb? Coulomb is the charge, that is the unit of charge. And one electron is minus 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb. Again, what is coulomb? It is the unit of charge. So when glass rod is rubbed with a silk cloth, some electron minus charge is transferred from glass rod to silk cloth. This causes positive charge on the glass rod and negative charge on the silk. Same way, this is the basic fundamental. If you lose some money, the person who's getting the money, he's acquire a positive charge, he's gaining the money, and we are losing the money and we acquire negative charge. We know that like charge attract each other, while unlike charge repel each other by the virtue of which force? Yes, electrostatic force. Electro means electron, static means fixed or stationary force. That is called electrostatic force. Now you can see that when electron gained by the rod and cloth become positively charged, because cloth has given some because the polythene rod given electrons to the cloth and it acquire negative charge, and the cloth is gaining the electron, it acquire positive charge. The potential difference. What is potential difference? How the potential difference work? Okay. What is potential difference? Now here you are seeing the a line, 3 dot above, 2 dot below. What is that dot? Dot is nothing but a charge. Here we are defined as a charge. So what this figure actually depicts, just see that. Suppose there is a system, there is one system of many charges. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 charges are there in a space. And in that we are considering the charge Q, which is located at B. The electrostatic forces for all the charges act on the Q. So Q is a point where all the charges Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, Q5, 6 acts on the Q. Why? Why it is acting on the Q? To move it. Under such condition, to bring that charge from point B to A, all the charges try to move the charge Q point B to point A. For this we require some work. This work done per unit charge. Here charge is Q. So work done on charge q is defined as potential difference. The simple word, work done on any charge is defined as potential difference, whether it is charge q, q1, q2, q3. Understand this and just see the video again if you understand it. So potential difference is denoted by letter V, and the meaning of V is volt, because it is first defined as volt, Mr. Volta. So he is given his name Volta to volt. The potential difference is unit is his symbol is V, is nothing but work done per charge. It is, what is this? Work done per charge. Potential difference between the 2 points is required. Potential difference between 2 points required for electric current to flow between them. How? For example, you see that flow of current. Current flow from the point of higher electric potential to the lower electric potential. For example, suppose you have house. In your house, how the electricity flow from your house to the power station, or from power station to your house? Yes, from power station to your house, because power station is gaining higher electrical potential and your house is gaining lower electric potential. That is why it is flow from higher to the lower potential. It is similar to the case of water. For example, the tank at your terrace, if you open the tap at ground floor, the water from that higher to your terrace to the ground floor, it is not moved from ground floor to the top floor. For that we require a pump, that is motor. We require extra energy for that. Okay, if the flow of water is under the gravity, it is called that it is moved from a higher electric potential to the lower electric potential, same as the water from a higher level move from to lower level. The potential difference between these 2 points for flow of electron between the 2 points. Same way we can see that the flow of electron require at 2 points, higher point to the lower point. For example, if you see the lightning thunder always move from sky to the ground, because sky is a higher potential and our earth and our ground is a lower potential. So that is why we see the lightning from sky to the earth. The potential of positive charge body is higher and than negative, and you see that negative is a lower potential energy. The flow of current is considered as opposite of flow of electron. Same way, na? If the current is moving from one direction, the electron is moving in opposite direction. We can see it afterward. The rate of flow of charge is known as current. In a wire, how many charge is flowing per unit time is called a current. So current is I, it is denoted by the letter I, is defined as charge per unit time. Here Q is charge and T is time interval. The SI unit of current is ampere, and the SI unit of potential difference is volt. Here is an example. You can see the example. Water is flow from a higher potential, that is higher level, to the lower level, up to both the level become same.